Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and I have a very special episode for you today. We are cooking up my grandma's sugar cookie recipe. Now, my family waits all year just to get their hands on these and I finally got the recipe. So let's make grandma proud and let's dive in. We're going to start off by grabbing a large bowl and adding sugar, flour, vanilla extract, baking powder, salt, melted butter, and 2 eggs. Mix it all together until you have a nice workable cookie dough. I prefer to start off with a spatula, but then let my hands do the rest of the work. How else are you supposed to work love into the cookies? Once you have a nice moldable dough, sandwich it between 2 large sheets of parchment paper. This is going to stop the dough from sticking to our rolling pin. Now we're going to bust out said rolling pin and roll this as flat as you possibly can. I'm talking only about 1/4 inch thick. Once you have that fully spread out, it's cookie cutter time. I'm rocking a star, snowman, and tree-shaped cookies today. That being said, Grandma usually sends us a fall care package every year with pumpkin-shaped ones, so don't think it's just for the holidays. Now cut out as many shapes as you can, but don't take them out. It's easier to leave them on the parchment paper. Instead, peel away the dough in between the shapes and roll that into a ball, flatten it out, and make yourself even more cookies. Now we're going to toss this into a 400-degree oven and bake for 11 to 13 minutes. What you're looking for is a nice golden brown on the bottom, but not so much on the edges. It may still feel a little soft when you take it out, but do not bake it any longer. It'll stiffen as it cools. While the cookies are cooling down, we have to whip up something to decorate them with. So we're going to get another bowl and start making some icing. Start off with some powdered sugar, vanilla extract, melted butter, and some almond milk. Mix that thoroughly so there are no chunks remaining. You can't have Christmas cookies without a bunch of colors, so let's divvy the icing up into another 2 bowls so we can get some variation. A few drops of food coloring allows us to have some bright green evergreen trees and shiny yellow stars. Once the cookies have cooled down, frost them up, and of course you cannot forget the sprinkles. Doesn't that just look beautiful? So let's go ahead and plate this dish. Now here's hoping they taste just like Grandma's. Grandma's cookies are such a delight to get. They are so nice and crisp, but at the same time have a really nice sweetness to them. I will always have such fond memories of this recipe. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let us know if there's any cookie recipes you'd like us to try in the comment section down below. If you're interested in any of the ingredients we use, we'll have links in the description below. We are Amazon associates, so a portion of the sales goes directly to support the channel. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. Good.